Hey, Earthlings, look up at the night sky. What do you see? A romantic backdrop? A nightlight for your late-night walks? To most of you, the moon is just there. A quiet, constant presence you've taken for granted since you first crawled out of the oceans. But from where I come from, your moon is considered a masterpiece of celestial engineering. It's an anomaly that defies the typical patterns I've observed across the Milky Way. It is too large, too perfectly placed, and suspiciously essential to your survival. I am Elix, and today I'm giving you your first scientific briefing. We're going to analyze why your closest neighbor is actually the most impossible rock in the galaxy. Let's dive in. Let's go back 4.5 billion years. The early solar system wasn't this peaceful vacuum you see today. It was a chaotic shooting gallery. Back then, Earth was a molten mess, and it had a neighbor, a Mars-sized protoplanet we call Theia. And then it happened. Theia literally slammed into Earth. We aren't talking about a small fender bender here. This was a direct hit at thousands of kilometers per hour. The impact was so violent that it practically liquefied your planet's surface and blasted a massive cloud of Earth's own guts into orbit. Most moons in the galaxy are just captured asteroids, random rocks that got too close and got stuck in a planet's gravity. But your moon? It's the survivor of that massive collision. When the debris from that crash cooled down, it clumped together to form the rock you see tonight. This explains why lunar rocks are almost identical to Earth's. The moon is literally a piece of your own world that was ripped out during that fight and stuck in the sky. If that impact had been just a tiny bit stronger, Earth would have been pulverized into dust. You're lucky to be here and listen to this video. You might think the moon is just there for aesthetics, but it's actually your primary life support system. Think of Earth as a spinning top. Without a steady hand, a top eventually wobbles and falls. In space, that wobble is called axial precession. The moon acts as a massive gravitational anchor. It stabilizes Earth's tilt at a steady 23.5 degrees. Without the moon, your planet would tilt chaotically. Your poles would periodically shift toward the sun. Imagine having a tropical summer at the North Poles on Monday and a global ice age by Friday. But don't you worry, my Earthling friends. You got lucky and everything is fine. But I have another blow-minding fact about your moon. Have you ever wondered about a total solar eclipse? The way the moon perfectly covers the sun. The sun is 400 times larger than the moon, but it's also 400 times further away. This exact ratio is a 1 in a billion coincidence, and it's temporary. The moon is currently ghosting you, drifting away at 4 centimeters per year. In a few 100 million years, this perfect alignment will be gone. You're living in the only era where this spectacle is even possible. Stop looking at your phones for a second during the next one and appreciate it. For decades, you Earthlings thought the moon was a bone-dry desert. Wrong again. Deep inside the permanently shadowed craters of the lunar poles, there is ice, water. This changes everything. It means the moon isn't just a giant rock. It's a cosmic gas station. With that ice, you can make oxygen to breathe and hydrogen for rocket fuel. It's the key to your expansion into the stars. It's hidden in the dark, waiting for you to stop fighting each other and go get it. Before I head back into the void, here are things about your neighbor that usually break a human's brain. Fasten your seatbelts. The lemon moon. It's not a perfect sphere. It's shaped like a lemon, with a distinct bulge caused by Earth's gravity. A giant celestial citrus orbiting your head. Moonquakes. The moon is restless. It has quakes that can last 30 minutes. It's literally stretching and cracking because of Earth's tidal pull. The smell. Moon dust smells like spent gunpowder. It's abrasive, clings to everything.
Everything's getting awful dusty. Everything is just full of dust.
And ruined more than one astronaut's day. Galactic golf. Alan Shepard hit a golf ball on the moon in 1971. It's still there. That's either a world record or the most expensive littering in history. Moon is your past, your protector, and your future gas station. Understanding it is the first step to realizing you are part of a finely tuned cosmic machine. I'll be watching. If you want to see the universe without the blur of atmosphere, stay with me. I am Elix. This has been Space with Elix. Subscribe or don't. But remember, the universe is much weirder than you think. Peace out, Earthlings.